welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while since we last connected. If you are new here, my name is Cydney and I am so happy to have you here with me as I share some really exciting news. But before we get to that, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button below just so you never miss another drop, because I do plan to begin dropping more videos more often. So now to that good news. So since the last time we were all together, I got engaged. Super excited about it and really excited to get the ball rolling on all of our wedding plans. So as you saw in the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put together my DIY bridesmaids proposal boxes. That was like the next thing on my list of things to do. We got a venue, we set a date, and then I wanted to make sure that I had my girl gang behind me on my big day. So I'm gonna show you some of the goodies that I put together to propose to them and ask them to be my bridesmaids. All right, so I did try to make this process very cost efficient because I mean, who doesn't like saving money? So I started off by getting these craft material boxes. I did purchase 5 of these. They came in a pack together for $35 off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link them below. They were very sturdy boxes, and the one thing I liked about them were that they were also magnetic. So that was pretty cool, I thought. The next thing I did was I purchased these clear tumblers because I wanted some just special things. We're gonna be doing a lot of drinking, my wedding party and I, just being completely transparent. And so I wanted them to have some cool glasses to drink from. So this is a plastic material. I got this cup from Michael's and I paid $4.99 for these. So I thought that was great because on a lot of sites like Etsy and stuff, they're a lot more expensive. And I did find someone local to create these decals for me. It says each of my bridesmaids' name, and then it says bridesmaid under it. And for my maid of honor, it says maid of honor. And I found someone here in Pittsburgh. I'll make sure I link her Instagram below because she was super nice. And when I say she made them for me in the clutch, like in the clutch, like I hit her up on a Friday, they were done by Wednesday, and I was so appreciative of that because for a lot of sites like Etsy, they weren't able to get them to me for like 2 weeks, and I wanted to hurry up and get these out. So yeah. Next thing I got was this cute little mason jar candle, and I paid $1 for these at the Dollar Tree, and they smell really good. One scent was caramel and the other one was a pumpkin chai. And then I wanted to customize them a little bit, and so at the top I actually, you might not be able to see these. No, you can't. It's okay. I'll put a close-up of them, but I actually wanted to customize, so I got some stickers off of Amazon and I just printed them out right here at home. I created the sticker and it says bridesmaid, a woman who is like a sister, a friend in every way, a special person who is asked to share in the bride's big day because it just won't be as lit without her. Get it? Lit candle? Yep. And then it says hand selected, heart approved, best by our wedding date. And so I just thought those were super cute. Again, I designed this sticker right in Canva. Ordered the sticker paper off of Amazon.com. It was like $4, $5, maybe $6 at the most. And then I just printed these out right here at home. So that was super cool. Next thing I did was I actually went ahead and back here I got my bridesmaids a sleep shirt. And I didn't want to go ahead and get their robes yet because I figured I would save that for as something that I could possibly give them on the day of the wedding or prior to that. But we're gonna need some cute stuff for the bachelorette party and other gatherings. So I got them these really cute copper color sleep shirts from Shein.com. They were $13 for both of them, and for all of them, excuse me, each of them, they were $13 each. That's what I was trying to say, guys. And they're super cute, very soft, silky material, but I was obsessed with the color, and so that's why I got these. Love them. Next thing I did, I wanted to be a little different, and so I got each of my bridesmaids a pair of cute boho style earrings. I just thought that these were a really cute addition, and it was something that they can wear like on a night out or somewhere cute if they go on a vacation, or you know what I mean, just something that they can realistically utilize every day. I hate it when I get a lot of little teeny tiny gifts and it's like, okay, what am I ever gonna do with this? So I just thought a cute pair of earrings would be something that they could put into good use. Okay, as I mentioned, we are gonna be doing a lot of drinking, so why not kick it off early? So I went ahead and got little mini plastic bottles of Sutter Home Rosé, and I made these cute little tags in Canva and printed them out at my house on some cardstock paper, and they say, "Pop the champagne, I'm changing my last name," just because I thought that was really, really cute. And the next thing that I also made were just some little things to like decorate the box, if you will. So I took some of our pictures, one of my favorite pictures with each of my bridesmaids, and I made these little Polaroid looking cards. This is for one of my bridesmaids. She is my cousin. Her name is Jordan, so I just went ahead and designed and put her name at the top, put our picture in the middle, and then it says, "I can't say I do without you. Will you be my bridesmaid?" And I actually just got these printed out at Walmart for like less than $1. I want to say it was like 45 cents. They're matte, and I'm going to stick these in the top of the box, so when they open them, this is like the first thing they'll see on the box. These are actually available on Etsy, but they're, to me, a little bit too expensive when it's something that you can design yourself. So if you need the design and don't feel like creating it yourself, hit me up, let me know. I'll just send you mine, because it was like so easy to design in Canva and then just print out at Walmart. The next thing I did was I crafted just the details card for them. So it has like my wedding colors, our wedding colors, excuse me, the date, the place, the dress color, and then introduces them just to the other ladies who are going to be a part of the bridal party. It has something cute. It just says, "Your role, stand by my side, wipe my tears, party all night." Emphasis on the party all night, because we're not gonna be crying. Well, we might, we'll see. And it just has their name, and once again proposing the question, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" I thought this was really cute. Again, something that is available on Etsy, but I created it right in Canva. And it took, it maybe took a little bit of time, but I thought it was still easier because I already had the paper here at my house, the cardstock paper, so it took no time to just print it out right here at home versus paying someone else to do that. If you're watching this, I have already given them their boxes, so they have essentially said yes to me, and to me that meant a lot. I don't take for granted people's time. I don't take for granted the fact that people are choosing to support me and spend their money on the things that I'm going to be requesting that they spend their money on. So it was really important to me that they felt appreciated early in the game. They're going to feel and be appreciated all throughout, but I think to just set the tone at the top of all of this planning was something that I really wanted to do. I went ahead and just made a little pledge to them, if you will, just so I can uphold my part of the deal and they have one as well. Just, it's fun, it's cute. So mine says, "I, Cydney Cooper Lyons, being of sound mind and humble heart, joyfully ask you to be my bridesmaid. I pledge to uphold the following provisions and ask that the bridesmaid uphold the points set out in the bridesmaid's pledge to the bride. I pledge to make no demands, as I understand that friends do not demand things of each other. I pledge to remember that while this wedding is consuming my life, you still have one. I ask that you excuse me if I talk too much about pompous grass. I still love you and want to hear about your life, so tell me what's up. I pledge to be considerate of your budget throughout this journey and to be understanding should you be unable to attend a bachelorette party or a shower due to cost or distance. I will miss you, but I will understand, sis. I pledge to try not to share every single wedding detail with you unless you're really into that shit. In which case, let's talk linens and seating charts. I pledge to choose a bridesmaid dress at a reasonable cost and in a style and color that will flatter you. I pledge to try not to freak out if things don't go exactly how I planned. I ask that you politely remind me, sis, relax, it will all come together. I pledge to remember that our friendship is more important than any little detail and that the most important thing is that you'll be there by my side on my wedding day. Most importantly, I want to thank you in advance for your time, your support, and your sisterhood. I pledge to be what I pledged to be the day we became friends, there for you through whatever, the best friend I can be. and I signed that at the bottom because I just wanted them to know that I appreciate them and appreciate them being a part of this day with Kaylin and I. So yeah, that's that. So let's get into the fun part, and that's gonna be actually packing these boxes. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I do that. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful, like I said, I will be sure to include the links to the things that I purchased below so that you can go ahead and do that yourself. I so appreciate you tuning in. I do plan to share more of my wedding journey. This is obviously super new for me and I'm learning a whole lot even this early on in the process. So be sure to tune in. I definitely will have more videos relating to the whole wedding process and obviously leading up to the big day. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell below so you never miss a drop. As always, it is never goodbye, only see you later here on Cydney Cooper TV.